Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair a controller with your LENOVO IDEAPAD SLIM 3 Chromebook. So if you want to pair a PlayStation-like controller like a DualSense or DualShock or whatever, you're gonna have to put it into pairing mode by holding down PlayStation button and create button simultaneously until you see the LED lights blinking on your controller. Then you're gonna have to go to Control Center, open Bluetooth menu, pair new device, and select your DualSense controller right here. Wait until it's paired and it will be immediately ready to use. To unpair it, go to Control Center, Bluetooth Center, select your controller, and select Forget. Now if you want to link an Xbox controller with your laptop, you have to press the Xbox button on your controller to turn it on first. Then hold down the pairing button located approximately in this spot of your Xbox controller until its LED lights start blinking. Then go to Control Center, Bluetooth, pair new device, and pair your Xbox controller. The rest is pretty much the same. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.